So this is the beginning of the trail. And one of the falls is right there. And it's gorgeous.
Like right there.
Like, let's
first
go
thing
see
you
this.
see.
Oh, this is the kind of water.
And it does have water.
A lot of water.
I was worried.
And there's not many people here, so it's incredible. We've got several tend to be loud, yucky girls behind us, so hopefully we lose them.
You can get up there. There's there's people up there at the water, so you can go there. Oh, I think you just take this. We came in flip-flops.
Yeah.
Very much wishing I had shoes.
I actually have shoes in the car, but since Jesse's wearing flip-flops, I just kept mine on. Okay, the Hamilton area is part of the Niagara Escarpment. Jesse, if you can pan towards the rock wall, that's how you can tell it's part of the Niagara Escarpment. You know, good old Niagara Falls. And Hamilton has the most waterfalls than anywhere else in the world. And this is just one of the many ones they have. Isn't it stunning? Like, Jesse, look at it. If the rest of this hike is anything like this, it's going to be an amazing one. I still can't get over this. Like, look at, it's just absolutely incredible. I wish I could go over into the water, and I probably would if I would have worn my shoes, but I'm wearing my sandals, and as I was walking over to kind of get more like in here in this water, because it's very shallow, I was slipping. I couldn't even stay on the dry stuff because it was like a little mossy and slippery. But it is incredible. Imagine taking like wedding pictures or something here. Want to show you how close this is. That's the road right there. Okay. And that's the falls right there. That's amazing. Okay, these are beautiful steps up. It's quite the workout, but definitely worth it. And it's all, you see all the, you can tell like the cliff face kind of from the escarpment. Very beautiful scenery. You can tell that you can hear some traffic. I think there's a road way up there. And it's pretty rugged. And of course I wore flip-flops. I'm managing though. But yeah, it's oh, see? I almost fell right there.
Oh my God.
So I'm going to stop this video while I get through this rocky part so I don't kill myself. There is this wall. It's man-made. I see a pipe coming out of it. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know whether it's part of an old bridge or I don't know. Pretty interesting. And then lots of rock. Oh, what's over there? Go straight, Jesse. Oh, I'll get around here. Oh, okay. Looks like some old infrastructure. I don't know what that is. Maybe an old storage drain? Oh, somebody left a bag there. Like, I don't know, this is
It just keeps getting worse.
like
More difficult
you
for a
have to
flip-flop.
understand. It's like these are pretty big step downs. Like this last one that we just did, it was up to Jesse's knees. Those are big steps for two people with not great knees. Now this trail, you do have to cross the road. So we're going up there. And the first falls we were at are called Sherman Falls. And apparently right across the street are Tiffany Falls. Oh, almost fell again. So we'll see on the other side of the street. Absolutely love that sound. That babbling brook sound. It's beautiful. Love that there's a bench. Oh, there's that sound again, folks. Oh, listen to it. Okay, this hike just keeps giving. It's like, look at this. This is spectacular. This is something like you think you go on a vacation to Costa Rica or something to see. This is gorgeous. And you can go right up to it. Okay, I'm right at the edge of it. You can feel the coolness of the water. Like I'm just getting sprayed a bit, but it's almost like a wind that comes off of it. That's cool. And kind of losing it in the sun up there, but it is another amazing waterfall. And apparently, one more to go. So we are on the way to the third and final waterfall of this video. A lot of the terrain has been a little difficult, especially in flip-flops, but we've managed. But we're both getting tired. We've had to backtrack several times, and it's been a really long day. But the beauty here is just absolutely incredible. So this is the last one. It's Canterbury Falls. Obviously the least impressive, but it's actually beautiful. Just seeing the water cascade down the rock. And I'm sure, you know, in the wetter seasons it's a lot fuller. But it's still absolutely gorgeous.
Still nice.
It's the noise. It's just
calming
for me. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can get this right. Jesse and I are done. How do you feel, Jesse?
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted too. They had some really
tough
high,
spots,
like
very rocky
stairs that were 3 times the size of normal, as high as normal stairs.
Yeah.
It was tough, but we did it. Can you believe the waterfalls?
It's awesome.
Absolutely amazing. So thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it. And until next time, take care. Bye.